Good afternoon all. We are in Barking today in Essex, London, working on this Iveco Daily. Customers reported that it's been running rough. Turns out it's got an EGR issue, so we're giving it a full 4-stage engine carbon clean service. That's our hydrogen, which is the machine that's plugged into it right now, our 2-stage injector cleaner, our 3-stage chemical cleaner, and also running our 4-stage DPF cleaner through it, because this also helps to clean the carbon out, especially on the EGRs. So we're hoping that this will resolve the problem for the owner. So if you need our services, you can get us on 01293 769495. Have a great day.